My name is Atul Bhoye, and today is my presentation topic, prepare business plan. Executive summary. Cost in- included included in this plan are on the basis of industry trade. This business plan is derived from a secondary detailer market analysis, uh, before included in the started up cost of ensure that the business is not under financed. We have also determining the traditional and non-traditional risk associated with failure of the restaurant. Objective: keep keeping food cost at less than 35% of revenue. Promotion and expanding the restaurant concept as a unique restaurant. Expanding, expanding our marketing and advertising in Noida to increases our customer base. Mission: our restaurant will be a inspiring one, combining an electric, almost almost atmosphere with exciting and interesting food. Our main mission are follows: have a great food selection, efficient and superior customer service, because customer satisfaction is our prime objectives. Employee welfare, participation and training trading are equally important to our success. Key to success: unique innovation, contemporary and product quality, and employee relations, food cost control focus, and the main will be target to varied people's. Missions missions, our concept combines variety, ambience, entertainment and a superior staff to create a sense of place. We offer there we offer fair profit for owners and investors, and a rewarding place to work for the employees. Company summary: the decision: the restaurant will feature to revenue. One will be the restaurant mainly for dining purpose and families. Other will be outdoor for the customer. We start something not so heavy, the lunch and dinner. There will be change provided the and food and will be style of hut of give the restaurant and Indian food, Indian look and also determining from others. Company summary: the menu. Our restaurant is a focus on service the need of the people on the Noida. There will also be little bit flexibility in the menu at the starting of the restaurant. The management: one restaurant manager, cook according to need and demand. One supply chain and inventory manager, waiters according to the numbers of devils. Company startup: we are Currently, negativity. We are currently negotiations a restaurant place to be rented off in Jaipuri complex sector 26 and will open in the month of December. Our startup costs are mostly expenses, equipment for future planning, registration, rent, startup, labor, and legal and consulting costs associated with opening our restaurant. Location and operations. Jaipuri will be strategically suitable because of the following reasons. In form of DPS Noida, it also have coaching institutes and computer safe. It does have even a single restaurant near our area to provide dosa. Operation criteria. The restaurant will be located to Jaipuria sector 26 Noida. The restaurant will be service lunch, dinner and offer house dining during the week and weekends. Service will be during the following hours: lunch and dinner and breakfast. Home delivery will available on the order of more than rupees. The menu, apart from the dosa, will be also provide sales, dessert and drink and Chinese. Market analysis. Market analysis. My business is based on a my business is basis on a Tricosaver India for marketing. For market analyze, I have taken the help of secondary data available today in India. The trade of specifically restaurants increasing dining experience and reasonable price. Market segmentation. Market segmentation. Restaurant long intended to cater to wide customer base. We want everyone to feel welcome and entertainment. We have defined the following groups as a target segments that contribute to growth projects: youth and teenagers, families and people from sector 20, 19, 25, 21. The people will generally fall in between 50 and 15. Strategy and implementation. Be intended to success by giving people a combination of excellent and interesting food in a in environment. We will focus on establishing a strong identity in our community with a grand opening. We will create an appealing and entertaining environment with enable table to quality at a acceptance acceptential price. All menu turn items are moderately prices for the idea. Competitive edge. Competitive edge will be these items. And marketing strategy will be promote our electric food superis service and existing concept to draw in the local repeat customer. Marketing individual will concept to the following: building and segment customer service and advertising and promotion. Marketing program, media marketing and sales strategy. Management summary, owner and operation management, finance manager, marketing manager, supply manager, legal advisor, caterable accountants, inventor managers, cashier cam, reception. Personal plan. I believe the personal plan is in good proper proportion to the size of the restaurant and projected revenue. There will be the differentiation in the salaries of full time and employee and part time employee. There will be award like best waiter of the week to boost the employees performance. Proper allowance will be provided to increases to job satisfaction level. Kitchen, South Indian chief with considerable experience in different restaurant and cooks that work directly with chef. Prefer cooks disavour people dining the restaurant and netters. Financial plan. Restaurant financial model is based on a business concept to plan for the firms but manager for the best. Restaurant financial plan is include important assumptions and risk analysis, break even analysis, profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, balance sheet. Important assumptions: economy and business growth, annual growth rate, percentage, uh, seasonal sales variance, industries and startup, pricing and cost control and inventory, uh, tomorrow and accounts payable. Thank you.